how to log in Kahoot account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you sign in or log into your Kahoot account. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Kahoot login. After you search it, you can manually find the official site of Kahoot like kahoot.com simply from your tap on that website. After you come on this official site, you will get this type of interface. From your at the top, you'll have to tap on login. From this login section, you'll have to just provide your username or email from where that account has been created. So simply provide your correct username or password, or you can also forget or reset your password if you have been forgotten by tapping on the option reset your password. And from here, this website will allow you to continue with your Google, Microsoft, Apple or any with Clever account. So from this way you can easily continue or sign in to Kahoot account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.